I am Puranjay Mohan in Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 8B, Chandigarh. I participated in State Level Children's Science Congress, which was held by the Environment Society of India. So in that competition, we had to solve a community problem by giving a technical solution for it. So I chose the problem of lighting, which can be seen on the cycling tracks in Chandigarh. So with the guidance of my mentor Mr. Paramjit Singh, who is the lecturer of physics in our school, I was able to make a sensor-based system that used to control the lighting and solve the problem of lighting on the cycling track. So in the competition, we had to deliver a presentation in front of a panel of judges. So in that judgment, they used to select it for National Children's Science Congress or Indian Science Congress. Our model was selected in Indian Science Congress, which was going to be held in January in Tirupati. So we went to Tirupati and inauguration was done by Narendra Modi. So after that, we were given rooms in the hostel of Shri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalaya, and we were taken to different places by the buses of the same university. So then there we had an exhibition where we had to display our models, and distinguished speakers from ISRO used to come every day to give us speeches about different topics of space research. So at that place my model was well appreciated, and I was also selected for an interview with DD National News. So in all, I can say that it was the best experience of my life and I will never forget it. And I would suggest it to every new student who wants to learn hands-on development in any technology to participate in Children's Science Congress, and it would also help in him in his career. Thank you.
When we reached Bhubaneswar and the Nationals, I was so anxious. I couldn't wish me good luck myself because I was so scared. I was the smallest one there. And if you see me on YouTube, you'll get a news that I was the smallest one there. So I had a project on mobile phone silent erased. So actually it was not enough to win the competition, but it actually taught me many good things like how to tackle the problems, the general problems around us. And I would like to give all the thanks to Mr. N.K. Jingle, my guide teacher, Mr. Parna Chaklu, my fellow child scientist, of course, Rehan Chadha, and Mr. Paramjit Singh. Thank you.
Morning to one and all. So, National Children's Science Congress, as it is, it's a really good opportunity for all of the students to go. Once a place like Chandigarh, it's probably well developed, but when you go to other places and you see people from all over India, you find out that there's a lot of diversity. You get to see out of the box and you come to know that, oh, these things do exist, and the problems which do not probably mean anything to us are really big for the other people. So I probably made a lot of friends there. That's one of the best things. I have friends from Kashmir now. I have friends from Himachal Pradesh and probably from every part of India. National Children's Science Congress is one of the major platforms which give opportunity for young minds to come up with their ideas. And then when we went there, we were really very anxious and we were scared what was going to happen. But then as we entered the premises, it was so positive, it was so happy, and we just, all of the tension, it just vanished somewhere. Of course, we had our teachers, Sir Paramjit Sir and Anita, and of course Jinin Sir, they helped us a lot. I would like to thank my guide teacher Kamal ma'am and my partner Pragya. So it was a really good experience. Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
In every of institution mostly and is very helpful in generating electricity. As you can see, we have pasted some pictures of the.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am Pinaga, KTOCF 2019 Chandigarh. I feel very excited to come here, and I have learned many things. Mostly the presentation of many students was good. And I feel that I should learn more the way the students presented their project. And I have learned many things from judges, my mistakes, and I will try to improve them. So at the most, the school was very good at this. Thank you.
At my school, I was Government Model High School, Sector 26, East Line, Chandigarh. The thing I learned is that my first time I did presentation, and I learned many things. Like when I did mistake, after it I learned that we should not put our hands in the pocket first, and when we speak, we should not take many pauses. This I learned, more things I learned, and thank you.
I am Mrs. Anurita Rana, representing DPS Sector 40 Chandigarh. It's been a pleasure being here with the children and seeing all these young minds working so hard. And I've been in the field of teaching from last 15-16 years. But the kind of joy and experience that I had today is really wonderful, amazing. I would like to conclude keeping my words brief. All of you sitting here, children, make this a firm belief in your heart, which I keep on telling to my children also in school. You should always hope for the best and be prepared for the worst. That is how life is. So I would reverse this line: be prepared for the worst and hope for the best. That's how your life should go.
Light and mind. They have come with beautiful ideas. Like the child said, we should not put our hands in the pocket. तो वो सब बच्चों ने सीखा. एक बच्चे के साथ साथ सब बच्चों ने सीखा. So we have, जैसे वो बच्चा बता रहा है कि हमने मैनरिज्म सीखा. So lots of things we have. So thank you to the judges, to the organizing committee. सुबह बच्चों ने रैली भी खूब एंजॉय की. इतनी जबरदस्त एंजॉय की. They were very happy. Thank you. Thank you.